Okay, here we have a 1977 Dodge Ramcharger. I went through this total mechanical reconditioning. It's got new brakes, brake hoses, calipers, steering box, belts, hoses. It's just was sanded down and clear coated as a patina truck. It's got thrush floorboards, side pipes, whatever you want to call them. It's a 440 car, which is very rare, verified by the VIN number. Not many made, I can't get an exact number, but approximately 2,000 440 big block trucks, Ramchargers. This one I set up with dual batteries, 440. It's got, of course, hooker headers, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, air conditioning. It does work. It does have a slight leak, so it takes a can every once in a while. It's got the heavy duty alternator on it. Charging system is in order. Brand new Carter, new old stock fuel pump, belts, hoses. I drive this thing all the time. Runs super cool. Four-wheel drive works. It's got semi-newer tires with a brand new spare. It doesn't have any rust on it. That's why I did it like this. I just sanded it down, clear coated it. Still has its tag. I redid all the rug, seats, speakers, front seats are done. The door panels are stock, but the panels had to be replaced, so I just cut out new panels and put the outers on, the skins on. It's got a full gauge cluster that all works, even the tack. New stereo. It's a rust-free car, brand new soft topper. Now a 440, original 440. It's got new window glass seal in it. All new mechanical stuff. I mean, a tremendous amount of seals, brake cables, this, that, everything. Like I said, I use this truck all the time. That's why it's a little dirty. It's actually one of my favorites, but I gotta. Idle's nice. Gauges all work. Idle's nice, runs good, goes down the road, shifts, drives. It's got its minor seeps, but no leaks or anything like that. It's a really good Ramcharger, and being a 440, it's pretty rare. Well, there it is. If interested, give Dave a call at 772-321-1437 or dberinger at cfl.rr.com. All the lights work, turn signals. The cruise control does actually work if you hook it up to the carburetor, but I did check its function. It is, I just don't have it connected to the carburetor. But heater core, air conditioning, lights, this, that. Full mechanical, bearings, this, that, seals. See bottom pictures. Bottom's super clean underneath. I spent hours and hours on the bottom getting it, whatever. It's got new steering stabilizer on it, brake hoses, all that stuff. It's all ready to go. If interested, give Dave a call. Thanks.